guys, what's up? So today we are going to be continuing our palette journey using the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder palette. We will also be featuring some new MODA brushes in today's video. I kind of want to open this up for you guys and show you what they sent, and then we will jump into the tutorial. All right, you guys, so MODA Brushes was kind enough to send this huge box of new brushes over. First kit that I am pulling out. Now, some of these brushes are dirty because I did use them in today's look, so please ignore that. But the first kit in here is the Jelly Gumdrop kit. This is super, super colorful and cute. Like I said, there are some dirty brushes in there, sorry. But yes, I am so in love. Look at how adorable. Next, we have the Ultimate Face Kit. And there are so many amazing brushes in this kit, you guys. Next, we have the Bold Artistry Kit. And this is one of my personal favorites from MODA, just because it has these tiny little detail brushes in it. And I do really, really intricate looks. So these help out a ton. Next, we have the Neon Pink Tie-Dye Kit. Super cute. And this one comes in green as well, if you're not feeling the pink. For some reason, I lost the footage to this one. This is the Designer Brow Kit. It comes with a comb for the lashes to kind of blend them, a spoolie, a brush for the brows to get those defined brows, as well as some tweezers. And then last but not least, we have the Check Me Out Kit in purple and pink. So without further ado, let's jump into the makeup tutorial. Okay, so I have already primed my eye, and what I am taking first is the shade called Lunar Eclipse, which is right here. And I'm just going to place this right above my crease and blend that upwards. This brush is the shader brush from the Jelly Gumdrop Kit. Super cute brushes. And I'm just going to kind of wing that out. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the crease brush from that same Jelly Gumdrop Kit. And I'm gonna go in with Storm Dust, which is right here. And just kind of place that into my crease area. Now we are gonna go in with Lucid Dream, which is right here. And I'm taking this on the crease smudger brush from the Neon Green Tie-Dye Kit. And that's just gonna go right here on the outer corner of the eye. And then we're gonna drop that down, and it's going to blend in with our blush. All right, so now I'm gonna take Fireball, and this is gonna go on the lid area. Now we're gonna go in with Eternal Light, and this is just one of the flat brushes from the Ultimate Face Kit. And I'm just going to apply that into my inner corner, as well as my brow bone area. All right, I'm gonna line my eye using Fishbowl by Urban Decay. This is one of their shadow sticks. And then I'm gonna go in with Mystic Ice, which is right here. And this is the Smoky Eye brush from the Neon Green Tie-Dye Kit. And I'm just going to place that right here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and connect my blush with that eyeshadow really quick. And this is the Pointed Blush Brush from the Jelly Gumdrop kit. Super cute. All right, so now I'm just gonna do my brows. I'm using the brow kit spoolie to kind of push the brow hairs up. And then I'm gonna take the angled eyeliner brush from the Ultimate Face kit, and I'm just gonna do my brows. And now I'm just going to do the graphic eyeliner portion of this look. I'm just going to use the C8A London Fierce Flicks eyeliner, and we're just going to start this eyeliner out by just taking it at the corner of the eye, straight out. And kind of following the crease, and we're going to kind of bow it. Okay, so we've got that shape down. Now we are going to bring this corner back in, and line the eye like normal. And then we will take it from like right here and connect that. And then I'll fill all of that in. And then we are also going to take another little line right here from the corner of the eye. Out like so. And then just kind of drag that to the lower lash line area a bit. Like so. Now I'm gonna fill all this in. All right, so now I'm gonna take Black Matter in this palette, and I'm just gonna, right in here where that black liner on the lower lash line meets, I'm just gonna kind of smudge that out, just to kind of make it blend a little better with that blue and that pink. We're also going to kind of darken up right in here, just a hair. Now we're gonna take the Half Magic glitter pill. This is in Money Please, and I am just gonna take a little bit of this and kind of underline this line right here, just for a little bit more glitz. That's it. Gonna apply some mascara to my eye. This is the Lawless Beauty One and Done mascara. And then I'm gonna apply some 9 to 5 lashes by Beat Gang Lashes. Use code BRIA to save some money. And here is the final look. So yeah, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I just want to say a big thank you to MODA for sending me all of these brushes to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.